I'm a motley saw. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's another nice, cold, new year. Different. It's just cold. It's a little chilly. It's not too bad today. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Myself, I'm trying to stay warm. This Connecticut joke. This weather is. If you live up north, oh my God, this weather is either it's hot, cold, or warm, which we've been getting for the past couple times, like a couple weeks ago, which was December. It's my first video of top of the year, which is good. Um, we're gonna do real quick because I'm not doing this. I'm gonna do it real quick, and then after that, do this video real quick because my hands shivering and it's cold. Couple things. So last week I did come in here to the Civic and put the conversion kit um on this car. Worked out beautiful. It's actually very it's not perfect. Um when I ordered this kit like last year, it was a Scarebird bracket, which was for the conversion brake, which fits very perfectly. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Very beautiful. I do have new emergency e-brake lines, and I'm getting, which is coming next week. This is why I'm doing stuff now, because the more I get stuff like this done, the more I can focus on the car, putting the car back together, and all that good stuff. Um, like I always say, I'm a one man band, but things happen when it happens. Shit is cold. Um, Also, when I ordered brakes last year, yep, I thought it was for the back brakes. Instead, it was for the front brakes. I have no sponsor with them, or whatever. Um, this is another company I do like, because when you order the bracket for a car like this, if you're doing a conversion kit on this car, um, there's another company that has the back brakes, um, I and the front brakes for a Honda Civic. The thing about this one was, oh my God, it's freaking cold. I'm trying not to shiver and complain at the same time. So hold on. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm gonna go get this first. All right, damn, we can go back. I will be installing these brakes pads in here. Um, Due to the fact that, again, I thought it's for the back brakes. It's actually for the front brakes. Same company, which is really dope. Though, I wasn't expecting to. I wasn't expecting to get them, actually. So last year when I ordered, I thought these, you're gonna see a big difference. These are for the front. I thought I ordered for the backs. I got these yesterday, actually. This is actually good company. And I will tell you who the company is. Give me a second. There's a big old difference. A big old difference. So the small one came in yesterday. Ordered it on Wednesday. Wednesday, I think, and it came in yesterday, and which is fine. And the company name of the company is what the A Premier, A minus Premier, or A Premier. Here we go. And no, I'm not sponsored by them, but again, if you're doing a conversion kit, at least you get the brakes pads from the company along with your brackets. So when I ordered the conversion back brake kit, I have it came with the brackets, so I got more extra brackets, which is fun. I'm still excited to get it done. I am. Just still pushing myself. Last week I put the rotors on. They fit very well. What else I did last week? Oh, I put the brake caliber on last week also. So you can never go wrong. But if you're doing this conversion kit, this is a good way of um going on that website, and instead we got to go into a different website and get these brakes. Hopefully, cross fingers, they fit. So it look like they're fit, and I'll be happy. I will be very happy. It won't be one less thing I have to do. My next step probably next week because they're coming in next. They say Friday. They're coming from California. Is my whole brake lines. Um, Today I wanted to probably pop the brakes in. I really wanted to do my emergency brake line today, but it's too damn cold. So I'm not gonna, when your hands get cold and you slam something on it, it's not fun. It's not fun. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Cross fingers. Excuse me. What else we got going on with this car? I think that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna start working on the hubs, the front hubs selection. I gotta change out the hubs. Probably shortly. Um, let's see. Also, the Acura. So we have the Acura that I run fine. Then the other day, because I had this suspension on this car for a very long time, things started to corroding, and um, the washer itself broke in half. It came off, so my car is driving like doof, like I'm hitting bricks. So it's been alright. So I gotta fix that. Also, I am looking for good suspension, which I did some research on. So I think I'll probably next couple of weeks I'll probably get that suspension so I can replace this one. I can't drive like that because once you hit a bump, you tear up your fenders and all that good stuff. So I gotta modify something real quick, make it feel like I'm gonna put another washer up there. So kind of cross fingers. Hopefully it's temporary. Other than that, we're on a roll. We're getting these cars back together. The Honda is, like I said, this is gonna be fun. So I feel like I'm crossing the line as I'm getting parts in. I'm doing wonderful with it. So if you guys are doing the same thing, again, go to A Premier um to get the brake pads for the back if you're doing a conversion kit on the Honda. Was it 96 to 2000? Um so just they're not sponsoring me. It's just one of those things like I want to share with you guys. Holy crap, it's cold. It's not even funny out here. Um, what else we got going on with the car? But other than that, we got to get. My next thing is to get a carpet for the interior of the car. Once I get that done, I'll be a happy camper with that too. The engine I got to put back together, I'll be a happy camper with that too. Um, I'm not too. Now I'm thinking about. I'm not. I don't feel like I'm that far from it. Like the little stuff here and there. I have to bring I think rims and tires. I'm finding a shop that could really put them together without getting overcharged because they charge an arm and a leg just to put rims and tires together. And so once I do that, I'll be fine. I'm not too far. I'm really feel like I'm not too far from putting the car back together. And today, I know. Today, actually, I am gonna do two things: the brake pads and the um the accelerator cable line. So get that out the way. I might have to shut this door because shucks, it's cold in here. It's not funny no more. It is cold. So I'm gonna try to get that done. If I don't do it today, it will get done. We're so I'm pretty proud of myself for getting this far, getting stuff done. What else we got going on with this car? I think that's pretty much it. We're getting there. I'm getting there. So if you're a person that's living up north, and it's cold, Make sure you have a heater inside your storage or something. Because I think that's gonna be my next thing. Because it's gonna be cold. We're in January already, and boy, oh boy, I walked in here. I was like, oh, it's not bad. I lied to myself. It's bad. It's cold in here. So thank you for subscribing. If nobody's gonna do it for you, you do it for yourself. And complete the task. Finish your project car. Catch me maybe next week. Actually, I don't know. We'll see how it is. But I'm trying to be consistent with the videos on YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. So just stay consistent. I'm trying this. Not trying. I am. If I do it once a week, I'm fine with that because the way my schedule works, I'm making it happening. So, on a note, like I said, if nobody's gonna do it for you, do it for yourself, and finish your project car. Peace.